Hello everyone and welcome to today's new video of Canva tutorial. Today we will tell you how to create a contact form on canva.com. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your canva.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and it is going to direct you to your dashboard. So you can also do that by clicking on your email or the email of your choice or the Google account of your choice. And in this way, it is going to direct you to the homepage of Canva. So this is the homepage that you're seeing on your screen. So now you have to follow a few steps in order to create a contact us form on Canva. So first of all, you need to create a website. For that, you need to choose a template from the scratch. You have to go to your elements. Now you see there are two different methods by which you would be able to create a contact us form on canva.com. Number one is the direct method where there is a job form. You can simply go click on it and you're going to sign up, or you can log in if you already are a user of job form. But if you are not having an option available of jobform.com, so what you need to do is go to your Chrome browser. There you need to go search in it and you have to create a template from the scratch. And so this is how you'll be able to create a contact us form in Canva. If you're confused, just don't worry about it. We are going to start right now. So first of all, let's just get started with the creation of the website. So let's just click on the idea that we are looking for. This is so let's just click on templates. Here I'm looking for the template. Let's just say I'm looking for a website. Click on this. Here you see there are so many websites launching soon. I click on this website. I am going to customize this template. Here you see this has directed me to this page. Now what I can do is go to my design, so I can add a page. Because I need to add a page here, I can change the color so that it does not clash with the color of the front page, or it does not contrast with it as well. So you can use the suitable color of your own choice. Now you have to drag down to the bottom. Here you see their option of job form. This option is where you can go click at this and it is going to direct you to your form. So now I am going to make some additional changes, and after that I will be using this contact form. You see you are going to write here contact us. After clicking on contact us, there are so many templates that you can use according to the style of your website. Let's just say I am going to use this form, and you are going to go click on this here, this one, or you can also choose the form in your forms if you don't have any, or you can also use this template. Let's just say I'm using this template and I'm going to place it over here. Here you see it has placed my job form here. You see this was very easy. You simply had to go click on job form. This option is already present on canva.com. You simply have to drag down to the bottom, and in this way it is going to direct you to your contact us form. Now you're going to add the necessary changes that you want. For instance, you can use animations, you can change the positions, or you can also adjust the transparency. Now the people are going to have the options to edit the full name, to edit the email, the last name, or they can also choose to edit the message. So this is how you're going to choose a template, add a website, and start from the scratch, and it will help you create a contact form on canva.com. You can also make it larger, you can make it small, you can help and click on preview if you're done with all of these. So this is how you're going to add the forms, because you see as we go to our elements, the Canva has restricted the option of adding the contact us form or FAQ pages on the websites using the add elements. So this is how you're going to edit it, because we configure the form setting. Click on the setting icon and select the form setting. Here you can set up the form to send submissions to your email addresses, or you can also integrate it with a third-party service. Finally, you're going to simply click on publish, and in this way the form is actually there, and you can share the form link or you can embed it to your website according to what you want. Let's just say this is the first method by which you can simply go create a contact us form on the website. You see, this is not my own official website. This is just a template, so it does not make any sense. So I have not, chosen the template according to the design, but you can do that because that would be your official work. This is just for the sake of the video. The second method by which you can do it is by going on to your Chrome browser. Here you can go click on Jot Form, and you see you're going to click on Jot. You can click on this. Now they're going to ask you to sign up, or you can log in the same way you have done on Canva.com using a suitable password or using an email or your Google account. Now you're going to go click on this create option. Here they're going to ask you whether you want the form, AI agent, workflow, you want the app, board, report, table, or e-sign. Let's just say I click on form because I'm looking for the contact us form. Now you can start from the scratch, or you can also use the template. Let's just say I'm looking for a template. I write here the contact us form. You see, there are so many options that you can use. There are so many designs that you can use. You can also change them according to what you look for. So I'm going to preview it, and I'm going to use it as a template. It is going to take a while to help me use it as a template. So this is the second method by which you will be able to create a contact us form. You see, now you can make the changes if you want, or you can go to the settings. You can add a thank you page if you want. You can simply use these pages as well, or you can click on publish. And in this way, this is the form that you can use. You're simply going to copy the link, or now what you're going to do is go to your canva.com. Here you are going to add a new page, and without the contract, what you're going to do is go to your text. Here you are going to add the text box. After that, you can also go to your elements. Here you see you can add a link over here. You can click on the link. Here you had a link. You can simply go paste it here. Done. This is how you are going to, this link is actually present here. You can going to click on this link, and it is going to open this Jot form for you. Or you can also go to the elements you are going to create on contact us button. I click here on the contact us button. Let's just say I use this one. I am going to drag it over here. Here, if you click on this is the Jot form. You can simply go click on the edit. I click here. This is, I write here link. Or you can also click on the display mode. If you want it to be embedded, you can click on the embedded one. In this way, this form is directly going to appear on your screen without any link, or you could use the link option as well. If you're using the embedded form, you're simply going to delete the option of contact form. You can also readjust the size according to the page according to what the size of the page is. So this is how you're going to create the contact us form using the second method, that is your Jot form through the Chrome browser. So these were the methods by which you will be easily able to create the contact us form on website on Canva.com. So this is how you're going to create it. You see, this is the complete contact us form. You can add the name, email, contact number, website, message, or it also has other options as well. You can use them as well. So this is how you will be able to create the job form method. You see, this was the first page, this was my second page, and this is my third page that I can use. If you don't want it, you can simply go delete it, or you see, I would personally prefer this one because it's actually the less labor route as compared to the second method. By simply going and dragging down to the bottom here, you see the option of job form here directly. You need to log in here as well, but you see this is actually, you know, it requires less labor as compared to the second method. But nevertheless, you can also create it by both of these methods. I've shown you both two methods. You can use any one of them, and you can simply go publish your website by clicking on this, or you can also go on preview, and it is going to help you preview your screen. You can also check it out on your mobile mode if you want. This is how the contact form is actually going to appear. If you like it, you're going to click on publish. So yeah, that's it. If you have created a contact us form on Canva, Canva's form builders make it easy to create professional looking form without coding expertise. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.